Hi, we're Matt's on Fire. If you're new here, we talk about saving, investing, and achieving financial freedom. Today, we'll talk about passive income and share what our sources of passive income are. This took years for us to figure out, and we've tried to distill it into a few minutes that we hope will boost your path toward financial independence. Remember to scorch that like button and subscribe to our channel. That'll help us create more great content for you. One example of passive income that many are familiar with is rental income. Here, tenants pay rent to use a landlord's property. Passive income could also come from sales of an audiobook, an ebook, or a video course. Lending to the bank through high-yield CDs or to the government through bills, notes, or bonds is another form of passive income, where you earn interest on the money you lend. Another example of getting passive income is owning dividend-paying stocks, where shareholders of company stocks receive a payment at regular intervals from the company. There are many other ways of generating passive income. Be creative and take a look at some of the skills you already have. There might be something you could produce that others are willing to pay for. Why is passive income important? Time is universal. It's one measurement we all have in common and is a resource that doesn't replenish. If the average person lives 27,000 days, money can help make more of those days enjoyable and meaningful by making them easier. Passive income earns money without taking more of your time, which makes it a critical part of living life on your terms. The goal is for you to control more of your time. When you have money coming from sources of passive income, you'll have time to focus on the things that really matter to you, like causes, hobbies, friends, and family. If you hadn't noticed already from previous videos, we're big fans of Warren Buffett, and this quote sums up why passive income is so important. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die. So now that you have some context on its importance, here are the ways that we currently earn passive income. Source number 1. Our first passive income source comes from dividends from our investment accounts. As an example, in 2019, we received dividends of about $47,000 from our taxable account, which is invested in a total stock market index fund, VTSAX, and a total international stock market index fund, VTIAX. On the other hand, we received dividends of about $25,000 from our non-taxable accounts, namely our 401k, 403b, 457b, Roth IRAs, and HSA. This tax-advantaged bucket contains a mixture of total stock market fund, a small cap value fund, and a total bond market index fund. Source number 2. Our second passive income source is through our high-interest checking account. Our local credit union offers a generous 3% interest on its checking account up to $60,000 and 0.55% on all balances over that amount. This is where we keep our emergency fund. We'll talk more about that in another video. This account generates about $2,000 per year. Our third passive source of income is from real estate investments in multifamily apartment syndications. Real estate syndication is when sponsors pool capital from multiple investors for the common goal of acquiring real estate. Investors then get distributions generated by the asset and its eventual sale in the future. You get the same tax benefits of real estate investing, like depreciation for tax deduction. Unlike investing in single-family rentals, which is active, investing in real estate syndication is totally passive. You wire your money to the sponsors, who do everything from raising the capital to purchasing and managing the property. You then get mailbox checks every month. We may talk more about this in future videos, but the important thing with real estate syndication is to vet the sponsor of the deal carefully. These investments earn us about $35,000 per year. The fourth and fifth sources of passive income are things we're working on now in hopes of payout in the future. Number 4 is still in early stages of development, but we hope to earn income from sales of some tabletop gaming software. And the fifth source is hopefully we'll receive income from YouTube in the future, but it'll take a while. Before YouTube starts paying us anything, our channel needs to attract 1,000 subscribers and generate 4,000 hours of watch time over a period of 12 months. So if you like this content, help us produce more by subscribing to our channel and sharing our videos. We hope you enjoyed this video and see you next week on Matt's on Fire.